Still looks like we robbed a Sunbelt rental facility, but let's check out what machines we got. We got a few new ones in this week that aren't green, and we got a few more that are, so let's check them out. We got two 418 Bobcats in, 12,000 a piece. Just got this U25 out of the shop, ready to go, 21.5. Just got in this 332 John Deere, 18,000. CX50B case, 30,000. KX040 Kubota, 30,000. 27D John Deere, 18.5. JCB 8029, 19.5. 17G John Deere, 16.5. 26G John Deere, 21.5. E20 Bobcat, 17,000. T740 Bobcat with an enclosed cab, 35.5. T550 Bobcat, 24.5. 410G John Deere, 34.5. T740 Bobcat, 26,800.